Hi mga ka-UVG, kamusta kayo dyan? Ako ulit. So, tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano meron. Anong ganap. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better lang next time po, no? Sa mga makaka-resonate po, thank you po in advance. So, stay connected po. Ay, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat, no? So, ito na naman. Medyo delay lang ng konti. Medyo busy. So, let's see. Oh, Wheel of Fortune agad. Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Cups. Virgo. Yari. Galing. Queen of Cups. So, Virgo, 360 ang ikot at changes na mangyayari sa'yo dito. It's meant to happen, destined to happen. Okay. So, ano ba itong detect? Devil card. Why are you so obsessed with me? Merong obsessed dito. Okay. Ano ba yan? Ba't kasi lumabas ka? Dahil ang ganda na sana eh. Okay naman. Kasi yung obsession is in a good way. Pero lahat po ng sobra is masama. Wheel of Fortune, this is meant to happen. Okay. Ten of Cups, desire, family, emotionally fulfilled. With the Queen of Cups. Merong obsessed dito sa isip, kakaisip. Having a family with you, family, kids. Pero meron ditong nag-iisip na only time can tell. God knows or tingnan natin, clarify ko each card. Pero merong nag-iisip dito na being with you, Virgo. Let's see, obsessively thinking. Tsaka I think codependent din. Malakas ang, sino ba to? Or, merong newlywed, merong bagong kasal, bagong engage. Okay. Tell me more. Ikoy, kasal, gid man. Sinong ikakasal? Ace of Swords. Seven of Cups. Nine of Cups. Dang it, daming cups, Virgo. Ten of Pentacles. This is a family. Nananayo balahibo ko ba? Ay, sorry. King of Swords, Fish, Virgo. Meron ikakasal dito. Or, meron confused. Yes. Hindi ko alam kung may. There is some confusing ang situation, Virgo. Lumabas ang Seven of Cups eh. Hindi ko alam kung nag-take place na to. Pero I guess, merong naghihintay with the Seven of Pentacles. Investing. Moving forward. Home. Business. Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Four of Wands. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Nine of Cups. Nandun ang Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups na rin yan. But, ang pinaka-highlights dito is Seven of Cups at saka Seven of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, time will tell. Merong kasal na magaganap, moving in together, creating something, connecting family, Gets mo ako? Together with the Ace of Swords, business, wealth, generational wealth, properties, idea, Virgo. Pero merong views. Clarify the 7. Merong King of Swords, oh. Nangyari. Clarify ko nga ulit. Hindi man clarify. Pero, wait lang. 9 of Wands and the Queen of Pentacles. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, no? Okay. Pero for some Virgos, may umaasa dito at may naghihintay. Okay. Na God knows, only time will tell. Both of you, kung kayo-kayo, yun, yung ganong energy. Pero obsessively thinking about being with you. Or kung hindi, tapos na kayong kinasal, nag-invest kayo on something, tapos confusing when it regards to kung anong gusto nyong gawin, mga new ideas nyo, Virgo. Merong engaged dito, moving in together. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, business. Para po sa mga Virgo na engaged or newlywed, congratulations po. Okay. Pero merong confused dito regarding sa... Kasi kung makikita mo ang 7 of Cups, merong... hindi ko alam, basta meron ditong perang kailangan depensahan. Kailangan i-guard when it comes to finances. Invest, naghihintay ng harvest to. Ang 7 of Pentacles is waiting for me. Alam mong nag-invest ka sa sitwasyon, time, effort, finances, ano man yan siya. Waiting, card ko to. Ibig sabihin, waiting for harvest. Okay, so 7 of Pentacles to the 10 of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune. With the Queen of Pentacles, merong kailangang i-guard up dito. Okay. Regarding sa finances, Virgo, kung newlywed, bagong kasal, or bagong engage or engagement, or moving in together, this is a good card. Second scenario po is someone, kasi nakita natin yung devil kanina, obsessed sa isa't isa. Okay. And merong isip na time will tell, God knows. Pero alam nyo sa isa't isa na kasi lumabas ang King of Swords, so kita mo, meron ng 9 of Swords. So someone is thinking about this setup, about this manifesting. May nagmamanifest dito. Okay. Para kumbaga magpi-place ng order. Merong nag-order dito obsessively. Meaning to say, kapag paulit-ulit mong iniisip, tapos yung puso mo is grabe yung emotion, tapos yung mind mo grabe din, tapos nag-coherent, merong spark, may tendency na ma-place yung order mo. Sana naman ay nagets ako, no? Kasi napaka-powerful po ng yung isip at saka yung puso pag hindi ko masabi, ano ba, intertwine ba? Pag-spark ba? Okay. Tapos ito yung iniisip mo. So, mag-manifest yun sa reality. Together with the 9 of Swords, obsessively thinking about it, pero merong someone dito na kailangan protektahan ang finances. Okay, kasi meron tayong devil guard, ibig sabihin merong codependent sa isa. Kung parehas lang kayo obsessed in each other, baka yung isa is financially stable, tapos yung isa is like, nasa stage pa lang para maging financially stable, then someone here is thinking about securing the finances here. Okay, or when it comes to business, kailangan ng wise decision dito. Meron ng investment na naganap or nag-iisip na mag-invest or kailangan bang mag-invest? Ano man yan, time, effort, physically, mentally, emotionally, financially wise. Hindi ko alam kung saang department, pero ang masasabi ko lang dito, Virgo, merong gusto ditong mag-move in. This is a move, very positive ang nasa taas. Oh. Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups, Wheel of Fortune, Chariot card, moving forward, moving in together. Marriage card, engagement card, family card. Okay. Pero meron tayong Wheel of Fortune, ibig sabihin, time will tell. Obsessively thinking about it. Pero para po sa mga Virgong kasal na at saka engaged na, nagpaplano kayong mag-move in or mag-travel somewhere. Okay. Or mag-rearrange ng home or mag-set up ng home. Okay. Meron din kayong mga business ideas dito na kailangan pag-isipan ng mabuti kasi pera ang involved. Okay. At saka, yun ang mga senaryong nakikita ko. 2 scenario. Kaya nag-channel ko, sana naman ay nag-gets ako, no? Sa first scenario, merong umaasa dito or merong naghihintay or merong magpi-place ng order regarding sa to be with you, Virgo. Either way, vice versa. May negosyo, may mga ideas, being together, moving in together, may sasakyan, akong nakikita, multiple source of income, Ten of Pentacles, joining family together, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko. Pero time will tell. May waiting card kasi tayo eh. At saka merong isang person dito, either ikaw or the another person is nag-iisip na kailangang i-secure ang finances. Okay. Meron nag-iisip dito, heavily thinking about the situation. Either bagong kasal or new engage or either nagdi-desire na ikaw ang makasama. Okay. Just let me know, Virgo. The energy is very strong. Nakakapanindig balahibo. Pero ang tanong, ako lang muna magtatanong sa isip ko. We'll see. Sasabihin ko na lang kung anong outcome ng aking tanong. Tatanong ako dito kasi bakit gusto kong makita kong reliable. Itong mga nakikita ko actually, mga reliable yan long term. But meron tayong will. Ang energy is nag-change. Like, every time. At siguro alam nyo naman yan, di ba? So, reliable ba to? Let's see. Is this for real na talaga? Okay. Kasi meron akong devil na kita eh. Tsaka merong nagdadalawang isip dito na kailangang hindi siya fully, totally open. Kasi kung gusto mo mag-commit, wala pang commitment card actually. Pero itong mga itself na 4 of Wands, 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, this is commitment already. Okay. But time will come. Okay. Tapos may isa dito na gusto niyang depensahan kung ano yung pinaghirapan niya. Okay. Merong mga business idea dito, kaya merong confused card, 7 of Cups, 9 of Wands, at saka Queen of Pentacles. So, we'll see. Tingnan natin. Reliable nga ba? Ano ba to? Equal give and take. Meaning to say is, kasi may 9 of Cups eh. 9 of Cups, 9 of Wands. So, emotionally fulfilling, you can feel each other cup, hindi pa lumalabas ang 2 of Cups at saka 2 of Cups at saka Ace of Cups, new beginning, new love, let's see, the Lovers, pero ang the Lovers kasi decision making din para sa akin. So, tingnan natin, tell me more. So, tingnan natin kung ano nga, reliable ba. Six of Cups from the past. Lord, 9 of Swords. Nandun ulit siya. 8 of Wands. Merong communication coming in. Meron na ditong Gising sa umaga, tulog sa gabi. Ay, gising sa gabi, tulog sa umaga. Kind of energy. Or nag-uusap, nostalgic, very nostalgic. Merong nag-uusap dito ng hating madaling araw. Virgo, because of the Six of Cups. Six of Cups is about nostalgic, person from the past, memories. You know what I mean, Virgo, soulmate. Pero hindi na ako pupunta dyan sa part na yan. Pero someone here is talking late at night. Virgo, missing you. Meron na tayong King of Pentacles. Meron na tayong couple card, pero reliable nga ba? Ewan ko kung anong conversation ang magaganap dito, Virgo, pero I think you are creating, both of you, pero meron lang waiting. Okay. Sa first scenario yon. Sa second scenario yung nakukuha ko, meron ditong bagong engage, bagong kasal, nag-overthink kayo on business na gusto nyong simulan or moving in together or sasakyan. Basta may mga plano kayong gusto nyong mag-take place, nag-place na kayo ng order dito, as I said. Okay. Sa first scenario, nakikita ko din na nag-place din siya ng order regarding sa ito, yung order niya. Being with you, together, married, Ten of Cups, business together, generational wealth, meron lang hinihintay. Okay. Tsaka merong communication late at night, I miss you. Hindi ko alam kung merong malayo sa isa't isa dito, separation. Okay, merong magta-travel dito para makita ka or ikaw magta-travel para makita siya. There's a travel, reconciliation. Okay. So, let's see. Tell me more. Meron din dito Ace of Pentacles. New beginning, Five of Wands. Nandun na ang Five of Wands. Nakita ko na yan kanina, nagbalasa ako eh. So, lumabas din siya. Five of Wands is a competition. Okay. Merong nag-iisip dito na merong competition talaga regarding man sa love, business. Pero I think meron tayong Knight of Cups. Romantically, emotionally, merong kompetensya dito. Or regarding naman sa offer or opportunity, daming kompetensya. Daming ang tawag niya, competitors. Ano man yan. Klaseng compete. Ayan, sa work ko. At may competition talaga dito. Ay, emotionally and financially. Someone here wants to compete financially and emotionally when it comes to work. Or, merong scenario din dito na it's a big competition when it comes to business or when it comes to love. I guess merong opportunity dito na magkaroon ng bawa, as I said kanina, engaged kayo or married. Gusto niyong pumasok sa mundo ng negosyo na kayong dalawa, bawa kung sa bank account, naka-joint account kayo. Okay. Maraming against dito with the Five of Wands. Okay. May mga naysayer, kaya meron tayong Queen of Pentacles at saka Nine of Wands at saka Seven of Cups. Meron ditong kailangan i-secure ang finances niya. Okay. Second scenario, meron ditong nag-iisip na you are a big opportunity, Virgo. Okay. And ang daming competition. Gets mo ko? When it comes to work, merong gusto makipag-kompetensya sa'yo dito emotionally and financially. Okay. Tell me more. Sana po ay naintindihan or na-gets kung ano yung mga lumalabas sa bibig ko. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung ano yon. So, bear with me, Virgo. Okay. Sa mga hindi po resonate, better luck next time po. Okay. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Pero po sa mga resonate, thank you po in advance. So, nandun ang magician. Gustong lumabas ng magician. Okay. Pero nasabi ko na kanina, nag-place ka na ng order or mag-place ka ng order dito. aware ka man or hindi ka aware, pero yung isip mo, yung thoughts mo, tapos yung feeling mo, nagsabay-sabay, yun, mag-create ng sparks. Tapos, you know what I mean, Virgo? Sana po ay nagets. Okay, tell me more. Lumabas na nga si Two of Cups. The Emperor card, oh my God. And yun pa. Lumabas na si Magician. So, Seven of Wands. Meron dito talagang nag-iisip na pag-aari ka niya, no? Virgo. With the Emperor card, command, competition, ewan ko, basta willing to makipag-competition. Ang Emperor is hindi siya umaatras. Okay. Do or die siya. Lalo na with the Two of Cups, naka-attach. Ay, puso ang labanan dito, dahil. Okay. Pero ang the Emperor card is maraming responsibility. So, hindi ko alam kung napapagit ng both responsibility mo itself sa family mo na hindi connected sa kanya, or baka siya, ang dami niyang responsibility yung hindi ka naman connected. But the Emperor card is definitely a responsible person. Okay, together with the Two of Cups, ipaglalaban niya pa rin kung alam niyang teritoryo niya. Okay. So with the Magician card, alam niya sa sarili niya na lahat ng tools meron siya. Okay, so willing siyang makipagbangayan dito. Willing siyang lumaban. Para sa Ace of Pentacles, Two of Cups. Okay. And the Knight of Cups. Kung iniisip niya na marami kang suitors, marami kang... It's not gonna happen. Not in his watch or her watch. Hindi. Sana naman yung nagets ako, Virgo. Pasensya na. Okay. Merong moving in together, new home, new car, travel, okay. Emotionally fulfilling, emotionally satisfied, financially, business, increasing financially, pero merong waiting, merong kailangan protektahan ng finances niya. But with the Emperor card, merong competition dito, ang daming suitors or ang daming competitors when it comes to business, when it comes to specific person. Okay. Kasi meron tayong Two of Cups, the Emperor card, very territorial, Virgo. Yung nakikita ko dito, tsaka marami din siyang responsibility actually. With the Seven of Wands, dito na yung sinasabing ipaglalaban. Okay, so kaya niyang lumaban, Five of Wands to the Seven of Wands. Very chaotic, and nakikita mo nandun yung talagang persado siya, dahil okay. So, seven is all about knowledge for me. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, mas marami siyang alam. Wala tong nakikita kasi nasa underground sila, ikaw nasa high ground. O meron kang pinaglalaban dito or may gustong ipaglaban ka dito. Okay, in any way, shape, or form. What else? Para bagang feeling na wala nang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. Okay, Six of Wands together with the Six of Swords. Merong travel dito, moving forward, moving in together, seeing each other. Nasa public eye itong person na to, or maybe ikaw is nasa public eye or gustong i-public kung ano man ang desire dito na mangyari. When it comes to business, talagang kailangan mag-move into calmer water, peace of mind. And with the Six of Wands is a very victorious card, okay, public card, viral card. Merong negosyo ditong magbo-boom, meron ditong basta meron ditong magbo-boom, meron ditong magva-viral. Maraming supporters din dito. Hindi ko alam kung anong platform meron ka, social media meron ka, pero merong magbo-boom dito for sure. Negosyo man yan, creator, content, or whatsoever. And makaka-feel ka ng calmness. Okay. Para baga, despite ng chaos, okay, with the Seven of Wands kanina, kasi hindi nila nakikita vision mo eh. Okay, seven, o ikaw man ang kinakausap ko or another person. hindi naman nila nakikita kung anong nakikita mo kasi may high ground. Okay, so ikaw ang papasok sa sitwasyon, ikaw magma-maneuver, ikaw magmamaneho ng sitwasyon kaya hindi talaga nila makita. Okay, both sides, either way. Okay, vice versa. Meron tayong Queen of Wands, go-getter, unstoppable. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay, so use your own discernment po. So, yun ang nakikita ko. Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda naman. What else? Lumabas ang Queen of Wands kanina. Meron din King of Wands. Two of Swords. And the Page of Pentacles. So, Ace of Wands. Virgo, merong nasa crossroad dito ngayon. Okay. Merong gustong ewan ko kung merong magre-regalo. Basta meron akong gesture na nakikita dito or small offer. Okay. Pero meron ditong nasa crossroad. Definitely nasa crossroad. Pero unstoppable siya. Yung tipong nakapiring na dala-dala niya yung Two of Swords sa loob niya. Meaning to say, go pa rin siya kasi ang King of Wands is pag nagdesisyon siya talagang unstoppable ba? Tulad din ng energy ng Queen of Wands. Unstoppable siya pero kahit nasa crossroad siya, I think dalawang tatahakin niya dito eh. Hindi ko alam pero with the Page of Pentacles, meron siyang gustong i-offer dito eh. Small lang, hindi siya ganun kagara. Okay. Hindi siya ganun kagara, pero it can grow. Huwag po nating i-underestimate ang pages. Kasi dyan po nagsisimula. Hindi po mabubuo ang 1,000 kung walang piso or 25 ba. Yun ang sana naman ay nag-gets ako, Virgo. Dahil man stuck pa kasi dito. Page of Wands. Expect some good news. Lumalabas ng mga pages, new beginning. New beginning. Gustong magsimula somewhere else. Pero merong delay, merong stuck energy. Okay, pero anyways, gagawin pa rin. Do or die. Kahit na may kailangan kailangan magdesisyon dito. Kahit na kailangan magdesisyon dito, gagawin mo pa rin. Okay, dala-dala mo yung desisyon. Yung parang ano nga yun, yung parang bagang kailangan mo magdesisyon pero kailangan mo munang malaman bago ka magdesisyon kind of energy. Okay, so kasi merong stuck dito, hindi niya mai-unstuck ang sarili niya kung hindi niya both ite-test yung water. Okay, kung kaya both merong good news or new beginning dito, both pages is nandito, Page of Wands at saka new beginning. Merong gustong magsimula ng bago. Okay, so either way, ikaw or another person. Basta merong naka-stuck dito, gustong magsimula ng panibago, kailangan niya magdesisyon ng firm decision. Actually, gagawin niya naman anyway, kahit nasa crossroad siya, tatahakin niya pa rin. Siguro dadaanan niya yung gitna. Ganon yung daan, no? Tapos sa gitna siya dadaan. Baliw. Ay, sorry. Sorry naman. Sorry naman. With the full card, as I said, sabi ko sa iyo, bahala na. Baka siguro isip niya yung daan. Dalawa yung daan. Sa gitna siya dadaan. So baka isip niya, makita niya both angle. Kung ano yung masilip niya ba, shortcut. Masilip niya kung saan ba. You know what I mean, Virgo? Sana naman is na feel nyo. Nagigets nyo kung ano yung analogy ko with the full card. Is being your major arcana, taking a risk, 5 of cups. Meron ditong scarcity mindset. Okay, regretful on something. Virgo, ano ba tong regretful? Merong spying dito, intuition, star card. Merong gustong i-heal dito ang sitwasyon, Ace of Wands. She is very unexpected. Apology. Meron ditong mag-sneak out in order para maka-sneak out lang dun sa sinasabi kong daan. You know what I mean? Pero ayaw niyang pagsisihan kung anong gagawin niya. mautak din eh. Yung tipong, talaga lang. Ewan ko Virgo kung ikaw ang kinakausap ko or someone specifically. For some of you, don't try to fit in. Okay, kung hindi po resonated sa inyo, better luck next time po. Kung sa mga Virgong resonate, let me know. Meron talaga ditong with the Seven of Swords na nakita ko, talagang mag-shortcut siya para makita niya kung ano yung, di ba, daan. Dito siya dadaan sa gitna para makita niya yung dalawang kung ano yung nandoon sa kanto. Okay. Hindi niya ginawang pumunta doon tapos kasi it takes time eh. Tapos pupunta ka ulit dito. So it takes time. So ang ginawa niya sa gitna siya dadaan. Talaga. What in the world? Ano ba yan? So, yun ang nakikita ko dito Virgo. So let's see. Last card. Last 3 cards. Knight of Pentacles. The Temperance card, sabi ko na nga ba, binabalanse nitong slowly but surely. 4 of Pentacles. Holding on into something. May dalawa ng 4. Holding on into something, Virgo. Okay. Healing, hoping, tiptoeing dito. Apology na rin. Okay. And slowly but surely. Ang 4 of Pentacles, holding on into something, hindi maka-move on or saving. Okay. Holding on. Kaso lang tiptoeing, hindi siya ganun ka full yung all out. For a reason din naman siguro. Kasi stuck dito, meron tayong hangman eh. Merong hindi ko alam kung sinong stuck. Pero definitely merong isang dito energy na stuck sa sitwasyon. Okay, so ang pinaka the best niyang gagawin para sa sarili niya is mag-shortcut. Okay. Kasi ang King of Wands is go-getter card din. Di unstoppable din yan. Slowly nga lang, but surely. Okay. So, meron siyang dito, tiptoeing. 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Mautak. Okay. This person, kinontemplate niya to, meditate niya, pinag-isipan niya. Okay. Kung sino man yan, Virgo, or baka ikaw yan. So, sana naman ay naririnig ako. Pasensya na po Sa susunod, magkakaroon na ako ng ayos na reception. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice, Virgo. What is the advice? Anong advice? Sana po ay naka-resonate. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck. Well, better luck next time po, okay? Anong energy? Anong advice po? Advice for our UVG Collective. Time can tell kung tayo, meron dito with the Wheel of Fortune. Pero meron din naman ditong in-engage, kinasal, moving in together, nag-iisip ng taking a risk when it comes to business. Okay. Pero kailangang i-secure ang finances. Okay. Meron kailangang maging wise. Kasi meron tayong devil kanina, baka isa sa inyo is codependent or may tendency na maging codependent. Okay. So, let's see. What is the advice? Prosperity lies ahead. Definitely, Virgo. Emotions are running high. Yan yung sinasabi kong yung puso mo excited tapos yung thoughts, yung isip mo ba. So, emotions are running high. Magkakaroon talaga ng kuryente doon. Tapos doon mai-place ang order mo, Virgo. Or someone. Okay. Pero be careful lang sa mga order kasi powerful, napaka-powerful ng ganong sistema. ang heart mo at saka yung brain mo nag-spark together, parehas ng iniisip, parehas ng feeling, fini-feel niya kung ano yung navi-vision niya tapos kinikilig na ewan ko basta ang saya na, emotions are running high. Okay, so doon talaga magpi-place ng order. Okay. Nothing will come of this situation. Okay. And the energy is gaining momentum. Ano tong nothing will come into the situation, Virgo? Tell me more about the nothing will come into the situation. The answer you need are coming. Okay, so malalaman mo kung anong klaseng nothing will come into the situation dyan. Tell me more. Confused ako dun na bring love into the situation. Okay. Ano man ang maging outcome, Virgo, kasi sinabi ko kanina, kung reliable nga to, I think kung ano man ang maging outcome, kasi meron tayo ding nakikitang toxicity, lumabas ang devil card kanina sa overall energy natin. Ano man ang maging outcome, ikaw rin ang makakaalam. Okay. The energy is gaining momentum. As I said, coherent, heart at saka brain. Nag-order ka. So, be careful what you wish for, Virgo. Merong tendency kasi na magkaroon ng codependency. As kung makikita mo, meron ka na agad defense. Ang ganda ng mga cards mo, pero merong skeptical dito. In some point, hindi ko naman sinabing wala kang tiwala sa partner or something. Nandun yung tiwala, full trust. Pero sinungaling ako kung sasabihin kong full trust eh. Kasi you know what I mean. Meron ditong kailangan secure ang finances niya in any way, shape, or form. Even though na newlywed or engaged or something. Meron pa ring boundaries na kailangan maganap. Okay. So, ikaw ang makakaalam, ikaw ang makaka-discover niyan. Nothing will come into the situation. Kailangan mong look at the bigger picture here, Virgo. Okay. So, nandun ang 10 of Pentacles, nandun ang 10 of Cups, nandun ang Ace of Swords, nandun ang Ace of Pentacles. So, very positive pero kailangan pa rin i-secure. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko, Virgo. Sana naman nagets. Okay. Anyway, meron kang prosperity lies ahead. So, it is for you. It's your duty. Duty mo na i-discover kung ano ba talaga. Okay. Tinanong ko na siya, ang sagot niya, huwag kang maging bitter kung ano man ang magiging outcome. The answer you need are coming, pero bring love into the situation. So, ibig sabihin, meron ka nitong kailangang ramdamin. Okay. So, kaya meron tayong temperance card eh. 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Okay. 7-1. Nahulog lang. 7-1. 719 Virgo. 719, Google mo siya, angel message number 719. Baka po makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo, may mensahe ka po dyan. So, yes, Virgo. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.